Hi guys, so time for a new copic piece, and this time I've done this gypsy slash fortune teller, um, and this the piece is actually inspired by one of the YTAC themes. Uh, I can't actually remember what it was. I think it was cards. Um, it's it's not the last one, but I think the one before that. And I saw someone or a few doing tarot cards um, as the interpretation of it, and then it got me thinking, on fortune telling and in that kind of going in that direction, and then I got that idea in my head of this gypsy woman, and then it took me some time to finish the sketch, and finally I got around to coloring it, which I've actually been looking quite forward to it, so I'm glad I did it. I really love this burgundy that I used for her scarf, so it was nice to. I haven't used it for a long time, so it was nice, taking this color range out again. And I think it kind of in this piece breaks the the rest of the piece is kind of earth tones mainly, and it breaks that quite nicely, I think. One thing that took me quite a bit of time doing is actually the dream catcher in the background. So a thing that I'm working with is to try and incorporate backgrounds into my pieces, which is something I have really a lot of trouble doing. I don't know why. I have kind of, it's difficult for me to kind of imagine or think of anything to put in the background. So and then maybe also I'm a bit lazy, so once I've finished the kind of main part of the piece, which is usually the girl for me, I kind of don't spend any time on a background, and then it usually ends up being like a gray toned out shade, just to have something there. So this time I kind of decided, now I'll do it. And it took me such a long time drawing this dream catcher. As you can see when I'm transferring it here later on, I've drawn the entire thing separately just to get kind of to be able to get it to look like a dream catcher more. I thought it would be, to me, it would be quite difficult to draw just some of it without kind of seeing the rest, in my mind. So I did draw all of it, and I had to make this circle, and I did it just by hand, by measuring using a ruler. So and also had to do a lot of inner circles in the dream catcher to kind of get that evenly round, so, and figure out the design. So yeah, that took me quite a while, but it was quite therapeutic to do anyways. So, and I am keeping the original sketch for the dream catcher, so I think I'll probably use it in some other piece at some point, so that it hasn't been time wasted drawing all of it. So yeah, I think that's pretty much what I have to say about this piece. Yeah, I really hope you like it, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video.